film me knock you right over or what?
Slow down!
Try.
I think the carnage starts here. Going down, it's pretty steep here.
There's part of the windshield right here.
Wow. So, somebody wrote with their finger through the dirt, "Next time, kill me." Yeah, you don't want to be the guy that took that tumble.
How do you get out of there?